Cousin Davey 101. It's really loud in here, so you probably can't hear me, but I'm going to show you something really, really cute today. It's Lily's pups. Cutie. Here, let's just grab one, shall we? This is sorry, Meg. This is a female. Its name is Casper. Weird female name, but you know, Casper is a cute female doggy. Casper, say hi. Oh my gosh, Casper. I'm trying to get up. Okay, there we go. There's Casper. Sorry guys, you gotta put him down now. Okay. Thanks, Casper. Okay, so next, let's see who we got next. Let's look around, shall we? This is Lily. She's a female. She's the mommy of the puppies. Look at her. Lily, open your eyes. Cutie. Okay, who's next? You guys want this dude? Okay, we'll get this dude. Oh no, we can hold him up. Sorry guys, I think this is Little Mac or Yahoo, one of them, but look at its face. It's a male. It's cutie. He's just so chill and just lay there. Look at him. He's so cute. I'm already Tracer. Oh my gosh. I wanna be Tracer. Okay, I'll put it back. Okay. Who do you want to see next, guys? Who shall we see next? Cutie. You want to see Lily again? Nah, Lily, no one cares about. I'm kidding, Lily. Okay, let's find something here, shall we? Who do you want to see next? Do you want to see this big person? Sure, we'll grab you this person. Hey, buddy, God. You know what? I'll show you one of the dark brown ones. Mate. Okay. Sorry, mate. Gotta do this to you. So this is Thor. Thor, he hit his head. This is Thor. Thor's a really rough puppy. Get it? Look at him. So Thor's a female. So yeah, Thor doesn't really want to be here right now, I guess. So we're gonna put her back. I can't pick up every single puppy for you guys because they're all sweeping. And that one's nursing on Lily. So you guys can hear me. So there's music playing in the background. Look at this cutie. That's Yahoo, I think. The huge one, the giant one, is Chewbacca. He's this one right here. Look at him. No, actually, no, wait. Actually, it's not Chewbacca. That's Mocha Jr. Yeah, Caleb named that one. If you want to find Chewbacca, he's the giant brown one. I don't know which one. Look at this one. Don't you just want to kiss these faces? Right, Lily? Oh my gosh. See that one back there? It likes to suck on other dogs' private parts. So if you can see right here, I don't want to show you guys this, but do you know what it's doing right now? It's sucking on the dog's, his brother's private part. You know that the thin boys have. Oh my god! No! Oh, disgusting! Get off! Guys, I'm gonna stop that. Stop it! Quit it! Stop! No, let's go. Go away. That is Voldemort. His name's short for Voldemort, and that's what we call him because we call him a sucker with someone else. Lily, what's wrong? So you guys want to see more of my puppies, or do you want me to leave? I know it probably grossed you up by now, but well, yeah, that. You want to know what that is? You probably already know what that is. So Lily, would you like to say bye? Because we need to make this 5 minutes. Oh shoot. So yeah, I guess let's take one last look at the puppies. Peace.